Na good thing to invest for sports, so we fit use am tackle illegal migration plus others. Betsy Obaseki na tok dis one when she dey unveil the logo for the female football tournament. Edo #1 lady Betsy Obaseki don unveil the logo for Betsy Obaseki Women Football Tournament 2021. Say she put body for dis matter to take empower the youth and also tackle the increase for irregular migration among small girls.
The whole idea, we're going to now hinge it to this particular project of mine, which has to do with rehabilitating and empowering our young girls, those that are going to be coming back home, and also to help to curb the, stem the tide of illegal migration from the country. I keep saying that illegal migration has happened in Nigeria as a result of failed governance in past decades. Because I always liken it to a home. If a mother and a father do well in taking care of their children at home, no child would leave home to go look for a more comfortable place outside of the home. So that's what happened in Nigeria. Young people have left the country because they have nothing to look forward to, no employment, nothing to do. And then people trick them and tell them that pastures out there are greener, there are employment opportunities out there, and then they go there, find out that they're deceived and they're made to do all manner of things to survive and to earn some money. But when government takes responsibility and we have good governance across Nigeria, especially in the states that have suffered this scourge, and people see that there are employment opportunities, people are trained and they acquire skills and they know that they have something that they can use to make a living, then no, I doubt if any child would be looking to live in this country. So that's what's happening here now. The government is doing all manner of things to encourage young people, training them. We have Edo jobs. Government set that up, and all kinds of training skills acquisition centers all over the place. In collaboration with international agencies, we've been training our young boys and girls to give them a hope, and sense of self-worth and confidence that they can actually stay here and earn decent living.
She talked this one for Government House for Benin when dem dey unveil this Ogbonge tournament logo. She come talk say this event na another opportunity for the young girls for the state, say them get the Ogbonge qualities to take realize themselves.
Being a footballer is a profession. To gain a profession and to make good living, they will remain here, and then they'll have the opportunities, to develop themselves and to grow and become decent members of a decent society. And then we'll see, that Edo will now, from number 4 now, or number 5 now, will now disappear from the radar of human trafficking. And our young girls and boys will come up again as strong athletes, educated and enlightened people. And in the long run, we'll have a better state.
Mrs. Obaseki come talk say today na her happiest day, and her belle full with happiness. Say she wan congratulate every Edo young woman and mother, because the mothers go happy well for this initiative, because it go create good environment for their children go take better. She come talk say before the last 4 years of Godwin Obaseki government, say irregular migration too dey high, no be small. Say today with the way this present government come take enter the matter, the illegal traveling don reduce well. Betsy Obaseki come talk say since the introduction of Edo jobs and some Ogbonge skill acquisition group for Edo, illegal migration don reduce wella. The First Lady come talk am say this tournament wey dey come up from September 26th to end for October 3rd, 2021, go bring 12 participant team come Edo for this tournament.
So as we do these yearly tournaments, we're going to be attracting girls from all over the state and expose them to professionals already in Edo Queens and other privately owned clubs. We have 4 in Edo State. And we're bringing 6 more from outside of the state. So there'll be 10 private clubs, including Edo, the state-owned team that will be, helping, supporting the coaching of these young girls. They will undergo training. When we bring them, we put them through a training program. They have coaches who will be training them, and then we'll now get them to compete in the tournament, with experienced players so that they can learn and, hone their skills better and get more competent.
Edo State Deputy Governor, Right Honorable Comrade Philip Shaibu, talks say sports they linked with education, and they help these young girls they discover their talent.
Sport is linked with education in Edo State. SUBEB, Post-Primary Education Board, all of them are linked. So and that is why we are built 20 mini stadiums across 18 local government, and those mini stadiums are built inside schools so that they can combine education and sport. And so linking sport with education is one of those things that we have created to create grassroots education and also to discover young talent.
Speaker Marcus Onobu talk say him happy well, say he dey for this kind of celebration when dem dey celebrate women. He comes to thank First Lady, say she do well when she take come up with female football team for Benin. He comes to talk say him happy for all the girls wey go benefit on top the football matter.
It gives me joy this morning to be part of this very rare ceremony to celebrate our young people. For me, I am part of this celebration because today we have our working deputy governor who have put together young people across the state, putting our concentration on sporting activities in order to enhance sport development. And of course, today, our own First Lady are taking the lead by officially unveiling the women football tournament. And I believe that this will come to enhance sports development in Edo State. And of course, promote female inclusiveness and mainstreaming in the Nigeria sporting activities. So for me as a youth, I congratulate all those that will be beneficiaries and of course the potential beneficiaries of this sporting activity. And the best I can say to you is that there is still more to come. The First Lady and the government of Edo State have done their part. Yours is to make them proud, and I'm very sure that you have more and more goodies that will come your way.
Mr. Frank Okiye, will be the chairman for House Committee on Sport, talks say First Lady too correct as she by herself develop women football for Edo State.
Well, let me say, in Edo State today, sport has taken a new dimension. The activities within and surrounding sports has heightened. So it's a new vista. And the credit must be given to His Excellency and his deputy that have taken the pain to look at the possibility of expanding the coast of sport development.
Edo Queen's coach, Wemimo Matthew, comes to talk say she dey very happy with First Lady as she give guests opportunity, develop and grow, become great women for it.
I would like to give kudos to the organizers of this event. This event will go a long way in developing female football in this state. And also, it will encourage the parents to encourage their female children to participate in football.
The Ogbogen people went and down for this event today, and the Deputy Governor, Right Honorable Comrade Philip Shaibu, his wife Marianne, and the Speaker of Edo State House of Assembly, Right Honorable Marcus Onobu, Honorable Frank Okiye, Edo Queen's coach Wemimo Matthew, plus other government officials. This one na the ogbonge tori wey TMC TV carry come give una on top inside Edo today. My name na Osawese Iyonawan.